unlike other Greek islands in that it has a clearly defined feel and culture of its own. And if you get there via Chania, either by air or by passenger ferry, the Cretan feel is very intense. There's enough to see in the town of Chania itself, but the Chania region covers the whole western bit of Crete, with its superb beaches and mountains and myriad of villages waiting to be explored. The oldest monastery in Crete, the Gouverneto, almost rubbing shoulders with the airport at Chania, is worth a visit for sheer atmosphere that reminds some people of old Spain or Mexico. There's Kastelli beach and another idyllic one at Falassarna, which are remote enough for even the most jaded tourist. We've only just scratched the surface.